My name is Lester Leavitt, and welcome to the Driftless Rivers Coalition podcast channel. With the Driftless Rivers Coalition, what we're going to do is we are going to get behind the investigation that Illinois is already doing toward ranked choice voting. In January of this year, 2025, the General Assembly decided that they would convene a committee that will look into ranked choice voting, and their report is due on June 30th, 2027. And so between now and then, Driftless Rivers Coalition wants to have some real hard data that shows that people are strongly behind moving away from partisanship primaries, especially at the primary level. Let me tell you about the problem here. This graphic hopefully will help you see the problem. The Driftless Rivers Coalition is nonpartisan. At the current moment in time, we have a favored candidate who is in support of our policy goals, running for state senate in district number 45 on the Republican primary ballot. And we've also got a favored candidate running on the Democrat ballot for district 45. So Josh Atkinson and Joe Berning, those are the names. Josh Atkinson is running against Andrew Chesney on the primary ballot, and Joe Berning, I'm not sure if he has an opponent yet or not, but I've talked to both of them. I consider Joe Berning a friend. I consider Josh a friend as well. So these people are both candidates that I would be perfectly happy with. As the person making the decisions currently for Driftless Rivers Coalition, I am fully 100% both of those candidates, behind both of them. The problem is that if somebody wants to vote for Josh Atkinson on the primary ballot in March of 2026, that person is going to be faced with a decision to make when they walk in the polling station. So when they get to the polling station, they're going to be asked, do you want a Republican ballot, or do you want a Democrat ballot, or do you want an independent ballot? Well, if there's nobody running for independent, then or if there's just one person running for independent and you want that person, that's all you're going to have. You might as well not even bother voting, because the independent ballot that you get isn't going to have any other choices except for that one person that decided to run as an independent. So logically speaking, who would run as an independent in any election in Illinois if nobody's going to see your name, because almost everybody is conditioned to think I've got to have a Democrat ballot or a Republican ballot? And now I've got some people seriously interested in voting for Josh Atkinson, because they see him as their favored candidate to unseat Andrew Chesney. And Andrew Chesney hasn't responded to any of my inquiries. He hasn't indicated any policy positions that would be favorable for the Driftless Rivers Coalition, and I'm not holding my breath that he will. So I'm putting anybody who asks, I will tell them Josh Atkinson on the Republican ballot is fully behind the policy goals for Driftless Rivers Coalition, and Joe Berning on the Democrat ballot. So pick your ballot and choose your candidate. But these are the two candidates that have talked to me and are 100% behind the goals of the Driftless Rivers Coalition. Now, if I've got somebody else running for county board that somebody is close friends with, let's say it's even your spouse. So somebody's wife is running for county board here in Joe Daviess County, and they have chosen to run on the Democrat ticket. Both of those individuals wanted to support Josh, but they can't, because if they want to cast a vote for themselves, they're going to have to ask for a Democratic ticket and ballot in the March primary, and Josh's name will not appear on that. So this partisan ballot is especially at the primary level, is once again that machine politics mechanism that has just endured centuries of time, because it favors the incumbent, and everybody who's in power wants to stay in power. And they are doing that by forcing you to pick a ballot when you walk into the polling station. And that system is flawed and can be replaced with ranked choice voting. And that's going to be the next video. I'll explain how that works.